Howdy, Damien from Waxmaster Janitorial here. So, got a complaint about this machine. It wasn't scrubbing very well. I looked at the floor that they had tried cleaning, and it looked very streaky, like insufficient solution use. I talked to the employee, and they had said, yeah, I run it on maximum setting. So I'm thinking, I should take a look at it myself. So, from the tank that holds the clean water down to the scrub deck is gravity feed, right? It'll go through a on-off valve and then a filter housing with an electronic solenoid that controls putting down solution, like the water, and how much per second kind of thing. If there's a clog between the tank and the filter, or the filter to the solenoid, or from the solenoid to the scrub deck, it will not work properly. So, I already cleared it out, but it sparked the idea that I should make a video on this for others who are having this problem. This particular model is a Clarke Focus 2 micro writer. The principle applies to a bunch of different machines. Location of the filter may vary, but first thing I'm going to do is lower the scrub deck down. Next thing I'm going to do is come back here to the back of the tank. There's going to be an on-off valve. I'm going to turn that off so we don't lose our entire tank of solution on the floor. Make a big mess. The other thing I'm going to do is reach in right here and turn this way to loosen this. It's going to dump water, don't worry. As you can see, that's after I've cleaned it out, and then I sucked the vacuum hose through the line to make sure it's cleared. But all that I dumped out on the ground, all that nastiness, that is from inside this filter. I don't know if you can see this. So, it's real bad, rinse out in the sink. I'm going to tap all that stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and open this valve too and see if I can flush out some more of that junk. Looks like we got another clog. Well, that should be dumping out. We've got a half tank with 40% full solution and it's trickling out. Alright, so in this case, what I'm going to do is remove this filter, put the bowl back on, I think what happened was someone left the solution fill lid off when this was in long-term storage, and some debris got settled in the tank. So as we use it and drain it, it's plugging up the filter and the inlet. Alright, so I got my shop vac hooked up. My valve over here should be in the on position. Yep, straighten down. I'm gonna press the button to pick the squeegee up because we don't need the extra noise. Right here, just pulls off a hose barb. I'm gonna show you the not so great flow here. Make sure it's on max water setting. That's all it's telling me. That's not very much. So, I turn my vacuum on, hold the hose over like this, and see how there's an opening? I'm gonna block it so I can pull through and dislodge all the crud at the bottom of this tank. So when I turn that on, hold that, gonna be tapping on the go pedal just enough so it opens up that solenoid valve so I can pull the crud through. go ahead and check the flow now. You can see that. Much better. Put that back on. Now we're gonna go over to this side. Oh, you can see that from that angle. The part we're getting is right here. Turn this valve off. There's a little bit of sediment in there. Put the filter back in there, like so. Ta-da. Turn this valve back on. And then now, all we gotta do is lower the squeegee, pick up the scrub jack, and set up the water. Good to go. There you go, folks. Easy maintenance tip and some basic troubleshooting